Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and we're here for T3 Live. So yesterday was an interesting day. We obviously went up. We went to almost new highs, and you definitely got shorts caught by surprise. I'm a big bull. I like to be long the tape. I thought we needed some digestion and some rest. Yet, this move happened. I got caught off guard. Not from the short side, but I certainly wasn't as net long as I probably should have been. I reacted pretty quickly and really put on a bunch of positions, spread myself out a little bit, went to some financials, went to the best in breed, the CMGs, the price lines, and we went up obviously and rallied a little bit throughout the day. But then by 11 o'clock, and I put on my SPY chart, by actually 12 o'clock, the highs were put in. And this is a 15-minute chart, guys, so you can see it broken down. And we just slowly started grinding down. And this is a 15-minute chart, so we did not have a green bar. This is the end of the day for the entire rest of the day. By about 2 o'clock, I started getting a little skeptical that this rally was going to hold. I've seen this before. Obviously, experience is the key to this. But technically, I do not like when a stock breaks out, a market breaks out, and we can't hold that rally. That just means, doesn't necessarily mean it's a net short, because I'm not thinking that, but it means digestion is needed. And I think that's where we're at this point in time. And I was talking about it probably around 2 o'clock, 2:30 yesterday. I was like, I do not like how this is reacting. I got them. I saw the JP Morgans, the Goldman Sachs, which broke out of trading ranges above 1550 on Goldman Sachs, come right back, went to 1650, and obviously traded, back down from that breakout level. And this morning, we're back down to around 114.50. So these are things to notice, the little clues that tell us that we just need a rest, and some more digestion is probably needed. I don't think there's a net short out there, not yet, but at the same time, take a look at high beta. Certainly Priceline's earnings are coming up. See what happens. MA and Visa this morning came out. Great earnings, yet they're down, which could be the sell the news scenario, which it seems like what we're seeing across the board. Take away a few stocks, obviously Apple and Amazon, but Amazon really did not go very far this year. But it happened to CMG, happened to a few other ideas that we've been playing consistently. So at this point in time, I'm a little skeptical on the long side. I'm always skeptical on the short side. I think you can rent it right now. Look at high beta to see what happens. But understand now, we have the Facebook IPO, getting the roadshow, I think, starts next week, which could change things up a little bit. I don't think anything has changed. I just think some digestion is needed, and I think that's where you have to be a little bit more defensive right now. Have a good day, guys.
Turn it back to you.